Okay, so today we are swapping the grills on the G80s. We're gonna show you how to do it.
It's pretty easy, man. You've got 8mm screws along the fender liner. You can choose to pull the wheels if you want to, just to kind of give you a little bit more room. I did not. I just turned them each direction as I go side to side. There's two 8mm on top underneath the bumper. Then you have some clips on the bottom, followed by more 8mm screws and a group of T30s on the top. And she comes out. Two connectors, off it goes.
Not too bad.
No, simple. You can do it at home. Not a big deal.
So these are the new grills that are going on.
We have Vorsteiner grills for the center, and then we have some carbon replacements for the outer pieces.
So once you get the front bumper off, there's not even any screws or anything holding these in, it's just tabs?
Yep, just all tabs. So you can see, my finger's too big, but the painted portion is clipped over the plastic, and then it's got this backing plate on the grill to hold pressure against it. So both of those slide off, and then parts start popping off.
Now these tabs can be kind of stiff, so probably have to finagle them a little bit.
Yep, just be gentle, take your time. Only thing I'm pushing on, because I don't want to, the green painted part, I'll do it with my thumbs. So I'm just using this on the black surround to just try to pry it away a little bit. Ta-da.
Cool.
No more teeth.
No more teeth. Let's compare it to the, it's a lot better, the new one.
Placement. Center section is there, now we gotta do the outer pieces. Alright, for the next portion of this, after you get the centers in, or you can do it before. Honestly, you can do these either way, so it's not a big deal. But we'll take this entire side piece off on the plastic, remove it, remove the honeycomb portion, then put our new pieces in, and then lay the side bracing back in. It's kind of like everything else. Lots of clips and patience and plastic. That's all it boils down to. Years of working on these freaking cars that I think we'd be hot gluing grills in place. And here we are.
Mint condition on Ford, just hot glued together.
2023, things are evolving.
Yeah, they're evolving fast.